Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create or how to edit Instagram feed or Instagram content on Canva. So first thing I'm gonna do is open the Canva application. So here I already have my Canva open, and first thing we're gonna do is just click this plus button here to create new design. And now you can just like seeing the suggested type or design that you want to create, or you can search here. So we want to make a Instagram feed or Instagram content. Here just type Instagram. Okay, and now you already generated into several options, so you can choose either you want to do Instagram post portrait or square. So I want to do a portrait. Hold on, and now your canvas is ready and you will be generated into several features that canvas have. So if you want to adding a picture, you can just go into the camera rolls. They will be connected or linked it into your gallery, and you can choose the picture and then just click add to page. And then you can like adjusting the size. You can like make sure the size is just fill up the canvas. Okay, you can adjust in the position as well. And after you finish, you just need to click a random space. Okay, and now you can add more tools by clicking this plus button. You can add text or draw into it, or you just need to explore whatever you want to be here. Or you can also add in elements. You can just type a coffee. Okay, and then you click, you will be just suggested into several options. If you need the graphics, just go into the graphics, and now you can like exploring what graph that you want to add into your picture. For example, the spins, you can adjust in it, then go into right there. And after you finish and satisfied with every edits that you have, you just need to go into this sections, this corner. You can choose this to automatically download this picture into your device. Okay, and after that you just need to click X, and now you already saved this photo into your device and ready to be uploaded into your Instagram account. That's all the way how you create Instagram account. That's all the way how you create Instagram feed or Instagram content by Canva. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.